Hello. What I wanted to do is share a emergency hack or tip that I think anybody that goes into the woods should know, especially hunters. As you've seen, I just found this old shotgun shell on the path down the road there. And this here can be very valuable if you're lost or stranded. Most people know that 3 shotgun blasts is known as I need help. Well, that also goes with 3 blasts with a whistle, and this here can be turned into a whistle. You can fire off your 3 rounds if you need help, but use one of those rounds to save on ammo and you have yourself a whistle. Or you may find one like I just had. So how you would use this as a whistle, this one's kind of crushed, but I can spread it apart. I'm going to put it up against my lower lip and put my upper lip over top. So I'm going to blow air down in, but I'm going to leave an opening for the air to come back out. So you go. It's a very loud whistle, and different shells will make different tones, but I've used 22 shells, 22 mag shells, I've used the shotgun shells, and so on. So these here are a very good option, and if you fire around, keep that shell, that one shell. It may come in handy if you're not carrying a whistle. I'm going to show you that one more time. I don't want to blow out here. I don't want people to think I'm in trouble. But I'll show you one more burst or something like that there, or how to do it. But it's a pretty good trick, and I would practice before you ever need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lip here and then out over my top lip, and it's going to blow in and then come back out. I don't want to blow real hard, like I said. There may be other hunters out here, but that's how you do it. Practice it. So how you're going to signal with this is you're going to blow for 3 seconds, pause for 3 seconds, and then blow again, pause, and blow again. Then you're going to wait just a few seconds, just because you're going to be listening, and then repeat. The good thing about a whistle is as long as you have air, you can blow in it and it's going to save your voice. Just another good tip to know. 3 shotgun blasts, 3 blows on a whistle, 3 flashes of light, and many different ways how to signal other people that may be looking for you if you need help. Hope this tip may help a few people, and appreciate the watch. Take care and enjoy yourself out there. Stay safe.